Hey everyone, Jacob from MarineMax Savannah here, and today I have a 2025 Yamaha SX220 behind me. It is on this galvanized tandem axle trailer with a swing arm that allows you to fit it in some smaller spaces. Maybe you're trying to get it in the garage or in the backyard and you need that extra space. You can always collapse that swing arm right there and you can get it wherever you need it to. I'll go ahead and bring you to the transom and show you some stuff back here. So the first thing I always like to point out on these Yamaha jet boats is these brackets right here. And if you've ever been on their website or you've seen some photos of these, you'll see people that have these seats that plug into these brackets and allows them to sit partially in the water, creating a little table back here. You've got the cup holders back here. Obviously you've got the swim ladder that allows you to get on the boat from the water. And then if you come down here, you can see Yamaha's jet propulsion technology. A lot of people really like this. Maybe they don't want to deal with a propeller or they're worried about the propeller. This alleviates that issue. So I'll go ahead and bring you up on the boat and we'll start in the bow. All right, so up here in the bow, first of all, we'll go ahead and look at this good size anchor locker right here. Obviously you've got the deployable swim ladder. So if you want to go up to the beach, maybe put the bow in first, you can throw that swim ladder out. It's easy to get on the boat. Go ahead and close that. You've got plenty of seating up here, and they have seating inserts to create one large sun pad right here. You've got speakers throughout. You've also got cup holders up here. Coming right back here, right under the helm, you've got some additional storage. This become a little door, clips in right there, and then you can close this windshield if you want to better enclose that cockpit area. And then right over here, since I'm here, you've got your trash can, additional storage right in here. You can see you've got that pad for up in the bow, and you've got the table that plugs into a bracket right back there on the L-shaped seating. Coming back to the helm over here, you've got a phone charger right here. You've got USB ports right here, Yamaha readout screen, auxiliary buttons here, your stereo system, and then your Yamaha lever controls. This is a twin motor vessel. Okay. You've got glove compartment right over here. Plenty of space for the wallet, the keys, and whatever else. You've got a wireless phone charger right there, which is pretty nice. You just set the phone up there, allow it to charge, and then let you go ahead and turn around here. Obviously, you've got plenty of seating back here. This is a 22-foot boat, but you've got a nice seating arrangement right here for all of your guests. You've got a deployable bimini top. And while I'm here, I'll go ahead and open this up. This is your engine compartment. You've got the twin Yamaha TR1 engines. This vessel is very well powered. A lot of people will speak to how fast these boats are and how much they enjoy them. So we'll go ahead and close that. Okay, and then coming back to the transom again, a couple of things I want to point out here real quick. You've got two backrests right here. So maybe you want to sit down, you want to enjoy the people who are sitting on those seats in the water. This is a nice, comfortable spot to do so. And overall, just a very versatile boat and great for getting out on the water this season. So my name's Jacob from MarineMax Savannah, and we look forward to seeing you soon.